Glory be to God. Happy birthday, Daddy Apostle Professor Johnson Suleiman. God bless you more. Daddy, I thank God for your life. Thanks for being a phenomenal blessing to OFM Scotland and the nations of the world. This is me, Minister Hope OGOM. And on behalf of OFM Aberdeen, Edinburgh, and other OFM branches and partners in Scotland, we pray that the best of your past will become the least of your future. As God adds years to your life, may He add life to your years. We also thank our mommy, Lizzie Suleiman, for all her support while you stand firm. Daddy, may the Lord bless you. May the Lord preserve you. May He enable you to win more souls for His kingdom. You will finish well and strong as one of your spiritual daughters. We say we love you. Happy birthday. God bless you. Thank you.